Naimbag nga rabii, kumusta kayon? Happy weekend! And tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's learn how to say now, tomorrow, and tonight. Let's start. To say now in Ilocano, tatta, tatta, tat, ta, tat, ta, tatta. That means now. And I just want to give an example on tatta. Let's say that your mom asks you, when are you going to get your medicine? And I can say, tatta, or now, tatta, now. You can also add, tatta, mapanakon, mapan, ma, pan, na, kon, mapanakon, or mapanakon. That means, I'm gonna go, or I'm leaving. When are you going to get your medicine? Now. I'm leaving, or I'm gonna go. Tatta, mapanakon. And now, let's learn how to say tomorrow. Intono bigat. In, to, no, bigat. Into, no, bigat. Into, no, bigat. Tomorrow. For example, you ask me, when is your day off? And tomorrow's my off, so I'll say, into, no, bigat. Into, no, bigat. Into, no, bigat. And last one, tonight. Intono rabii. Intono rabii. In, to, no, rabii. Ra, bi, i. Rabii. Intono rabii. When are you going to call me? Intono rabii. Into, no, rabii. Tonight. So, that's it for our Learn Ilocano video for tonight. We have tatta, it means now. Intono bigat, tomorrow. And intono rabii, that means tonight. Okay, good night. Bye.